I've been defending criminal cases for about 30 years, depending on when you're watching this. And that means I've been to court thousands of times. I've seen some very good attorneys practice law and some not so good defense attorneys that are doing stuff that just makes me cringe. So I was motivated to do this video because I don't want you to be that person who paid good money standing next to that bad lawyer. So I'm going to walk you through, hopefully, some things that are going to prevent you from making like a bad lawyer decision. First of all, right out of the gate, you need to know if your attorney is competent. I'm extremely competent defending criminal cases. I've been doing this. I've done thousands of them for almost 30 years. But don't hire me to do a Securities and Exchange Commission Rule 506B securities offering. I've never done one. I've never even worked with the SEC. And I have my MBA, but my master's doesn't help me draft SEC filings. I don't even know what those numbers mean, but I threw them out there. I Googled it, etc. Find somebody that does your stuff. You need to figure out your lawyer's competence for your type of case. I've got questions that you need to ask them. Has this lawyer ever defended this sort of accusation before? How many times? Has this lawyer practiced in this county before? How much experience does this lawyer have also just defending criminal cases in general? Because the more years, the better. I'll be the first to admit, when I started defending criminal cases in 1993, I was a public defender. My first day as a lawyer was a trial day. Literally, the jury is out in the hallway when I'm on my first day. It was a rough day. I still remember it. But the bottom line is, I was not that good in 1993. Officially, I'm a boat ton better today, and I'll be even better next week and next year. But counting, years as a lawyer isn't what you got to do here. Some lawyers just organize local vegetable gardens, and they've been doing that for decades. Even gardens need a lawyer these days. It's sad to say. But don't hire this garden lawyer for a crime that's punishable by life when your life's on the line. And I want you to take a look at the attorney's website. Are there any articles there? Do you like what you're reading? Once you've established, though, all right, this attorney is competent, you're not done. You've got to figure out if this lawyer is responsive, if they communicate, because defending a criminal case is not like other types of law. We attorneys need to talk to our clients about all aspects of the case. We need your feedback. Otherwise, we can't defend it. So you can hire a defense attorney with great credentials, but if they're not interested in talking to you, you're really not going to get the outcome you deserve. And I've seen some people, they'll call a big law firm and they'll talk to one lawyer and then they get another lawyer later. Sad truth is some lawyers just talk to you up front to get your money, and then you get shoved to somebody else or you never hear from them again. And it's awful. I don't want that to happen to you. Ask these people, are you the one that's going to stand next to me in court or not? So there's an easy way for you to discover how responsive an attorney is. And I say read the reviews. And I don't mean do what I do, because I shop on Amazon all the time. Everybody knows this. And I see a 4.7 review and I see a 4.1, I'll go for the 4.7. But that doesn't work for attorneys. You can't just compare raw number ratings. You've got to read the reviews, dig deeper. And the reason I say that is because the information is in there. Like, people are saying something in the reviews about whether their attorney communicated with them or not. So read. Don't just look at numbers like I do. Finally, the third thing is price. And there isn't much to say about price, but I've got a few guideposts. Maybe these are pretty obvious. And some of it's going to sound like a barber telling you that you need a haircut, but I'm going to sound like that. Get as much attorney as you can afford, because this is serious stuff. And keep in mind that some attorneys do payment plans. If you need it, it doesn't hurt to ask. Sometimes the price is negotiable, so it doesn't hurt to ask about that either, depending on your circumstances. So my hope is that when you found that good, competent, responsive defense attorney, I'm hoping you can afford them. And I wish you luck on your case. Thank you for watching. Take care.